What is popping, guys? It has been a hot minute since I've hopped on this channel. I'm sorry for that. Things have been really crazy, and I focused some of my content creation on different platforms like TikTok. I've been bumping out content on there, and the sled season's kind of over. I posted those last few vlogs from my travel out west, and I haven't really posted anything since. I've posted a lot of content on TikTok the last few months, and I've really enjoyed the truck scene that I'm in there, and I'm hoping to also show my subscribers here what I got going on in that truck scene community project based fun. And as you see from the title, I bought another truck, a project truck that is still in good condition, and I'm going to fully restore it, build it, and turn it into the new kid on the block, the new truck in the garage, the new love of my life, whatever you want to call it. We have my 1995 F250 7.5 liter big block. And unfortunately, I did get this a few weeks ago, so there is a lot of stuff that I've kind of already done to it. And I should have recorded earlier, but I guess I didn't have the time, or things got kind of busy, or I got lazy and I couldn't do it. So as you can see, the front bumper is off. That is one of the first things I really did to it. And it is sitting here in the back of the truck, which is really rusted. There's a hole right there. This is completely eroded, so that is coming off completely. And I need to find a new chrome bumper because that's the one that, and it's not bad, but as you can see the rust there at the bottom, I'm getting rid of it. This mirror was shattered when I got it, so that is completely off, and I have the mirror head's off. It's actually sitting over there on the shop bench, so it's getting replaced. It's got 35-inch Trail Digger MTs. Hercules. I've never heard of those types of tires before, but they're really aggressive. They're nice. They look kind of small on camera. They're a little bit bigger in person. And it's a 7.5 liter big block gasser. Currently has a 4-inch lift. And what I'm working on now, I have all the carpet ripped out from the inside. It's in pretty decent shape. There's some rust spots there along the back rest. You can see some cancer spots here. And right now I'm taking that wire brush to it and cleansing them all up. And I'm going to be repainting it and then putting new carpet in it as well. So there's a few different side jobs going on in the truck, different projects throughout my time. So right now, like I said, I'm working on getting a new bumper and doing the interior. It also needs a new exhaust. The exhaust on it is really, really bad, but it sounds pretty good. I'll put a clip of it in right here. I have a clip of it. I'll put it in right here. She should fire up. This is the first night I've had her sitting cold overnight. So she should fire up. She should. Playing the loudest title too. I'll show you the exhaust right now as well. You'll just see for yourself. You can kind of see the holes in it right there, which are kind of major. And there's a couple other holes along it. Right there's a pretty big hole. That's all it's got for a muffle. Otherwise, it is straight piped. I do have some really big plans for this truck. Bigger lift kit, bigger tires, bigger rims, all that snazzy stuff. But right now, I'm doing some of the smaller stuff to make sure it runs healthy and it's safe on the road. So I need to do the new brakes on it. The exhaust needs to be fixed. Obviously needs a bumper. I've said that like 5 times now. The interior will be it's just like a fun sort of thing. And then after that, I don't plan on flipping this truck right now, at least. If I keep it for 6 months or a year or 2 years or 3 years, I'm going to put a better suspension setup in it. Like I mentioned, like a 6-inch lift, maybe take the 4-inch out, get a couple inches, then maybe run like 37 to 38-inch tires. I have also done a new PVC valve. I have to put new spark plugs in it, just stuff like that to make sure it's running healthy and strong. And then once that's sort of taken care of and it's on the road, I can get to some of the deeper stuff, or maybe just drive it for a year and not worry about anything until next year. I do like some of the small accents. The 4-point tow mirrors are awesome. That crow is awesome. Bug deflector must come off. And I'm not a huge fan of this Bubba setup. This technically might not be a Bubba setup, but small rims, big tires. It doesn't look bad on this. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. There's a few cancer spots along it, right? That's gonna get treated up at some point. Obviously, it's got the 2 gas tanks, so you know she's bad on gas. And inside the cab is not bad, you know, for being a 1995. XLT 460 big block. You know, there's some stuff back there I still have to scrape up and get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna spray some of that rust preventative stuff on it. Yeah, that's all I got right now. I got a really good deal on this, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's only got 218,000 kilometers on it. For the Americans, that's probably, I don't know, in the ballpark of 135,000 miles. So yeah, I'm really happy with everything, and I look forward to you guys sticking tuned on this project. So I'm gonna continue to get in the habit of making these vlogs, all the new stuff I got going on the truck, because I want to include you guys in it. I want to have a timeline of everything I do to the truck, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of short and sweet and didn't get into too much, but it feels good to be talking to you guys again. I hope all is well with everyone, and keep your eyes open, because this truck actually wasn't supposed to come to me like it was, but he wasn't really eager on selling it. He ghosted me on and off for a few months. And he ended up coming back to me and saying, hey man, come check it out. And I was really upset the first time after he ghosted me, because I really wanted the vehicle. But it all worked out. So if you're looking for a truck, stay patient. I know the market is crazy right now for prices, but stay patient, keep your eyes open. And it's been a great thing for me to just come out here and just decompress and work on it alone and learn. And I've really enjoyed it. So I recommend doing it if you're into vehicles. I am not a mechanic myself. I'm a YouTube mechanic, if anything. And I've learned so much in just the first couple of weeks of doing all the work myself. It's not going to be going to any shops. I'm going to do all the work myself, and it's going to be a good challenge. So thanks for rocking with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. As you can see, they are sleeping for the next few months. Subscribe for more, and take care of yourselves. Thanks, guys.